Alright, welcome back guys. So this bridge seat was my passenger seat and is currently on the rail for the FK8. I'm going to remove it from this rail and put it onto the Seeker rail that's for the DC2. This is the Seeker Super Down seat. Got the bolt for the seatbelt along with the bracket for it. Alright, so in the Seeker seat with the grid rail, my shoulder is 28 off the ground. Alright, 26. It's sitting about 2 inches lower. I wonder if I can attach this bracket onto this. So the holes for the bolts going to the rail itself will fit, but the offset on this isn't deep enough to attach to the seat. Looks pretty good. As soon as the DC2 comes in, the OEM Recaros will be for sale. I've already got a few people that have dibs on them, but I'll let you guys know. So as far as other DC2 stuff, you guys know I got the sponsor TE37SLs in. Got the OG stickers on. I'm waiting on the black valve stems. Got the FN2 formula nut in black. Got a Berlina black JDM license plate cover. Got the Mugen Momo steering wheel. My favorite exhaust for the FK8 and the FL5 is the Apexi N1X. If you haven't seen my videos reviewing the exhaust, I'll put the links in the description. The N1X looks so good because it's classic N1 styling, but with angled tips and burnt titanium. I really prefer dual tips on the FK8, and these fill in the exhaust cutout of the OEM diffuser perfectly. When I installed the VARS rear diffuser, it was like the exhaust was made for the setup. The bottom of the tips lines up exactly with the diffuser. And the reason I'm talking about Apexi is I'm so excited about the opportunity they have given me. If you don't know Apexi, they're a true OG JDM brand that's been tuning since the 90s. And I'm so grateful that they will be sponsoring the coilover and exhaust setup for the DC2 Type R build. The coilovers currently being built in Japan are the Apexi N1 Evolution dampers. You can reach out to Apexi and they'll recommend whatever spec you need for your application. I've listed my spec in the bottom right. For the exhaust, they're sending me the Apexi N1 catback to use while I'm running the B18. It's 60mm piping with a 115mm exhaust tip. It's going to look and sound so good, but you guys know I plan to go K24 on turbo. So I'm also getting an Apexi N1 Evo Extreme universal muffler. It has the 75mm inlet so I can run custom 3-inch piping, and the tip is 123mm in burnt titanium, so it's going to match the exhaust tips of the FK8 perfectly. I can't wait to get all these in so I can show you guys just how high quality these parts are. They're all made in Japan. Check out Apexi's website to see if they offer anything for your car. I'll put the link in the description. Thanks for watching guys. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll have more DC2 and FK8 content coming up.